On December 3, 1984, around 45 tons of an extremely dangerous gas, methyl isocyanate, escaped from an insecticide plant that was owned by the Indian subsidiary of the American firm Union Carbide Corporation. The gas that escaped that night drifted over the highly populated areas around the plant, killing thousands of people immediately. The people who did survive suffer with respiratory problems, eye irritation or blindness, and other problems resulting from the exposure to the toxic gas. After a long investigation process, it was established that substandard operating and safety procedures at the understaffed plant had led to the incident. Around 400 tons of industrial waste are still present on the site. Neither the Union Carbide Corporation nor the Indian government properly cleaned the site. The wastes have contaminated the entire area and has become the cause of chronic health problems and high rates of birth defects in the area's inhabitants. These government mishandlings of the disaster has sparked decades of protests by victims and others.
Methyl isocyanate, clear, colorless liquid, is for the creation of pesticides. Easy to evaporate easily at room temperature, it has the same effects as tear gas, so it is very toxic. However, MIC is only safe when maintained properly. The chemical itself is highly reactive to heat. On that fateful night, water entered tank E610, which contained more than 40 tons of MIC, initiating a runaway reaction. When it exposed to water, the compounds in MIC react with each other, causing a heat reaction. Even the smallest amount of water creates pressure, turning MIC from a liquid to a gas. MIC reacts violently with water, forming ureas and a large amount of carbon dioxide in the process, which are both toxic gases. Contaminants, high temperature, and the presence of iron accelerated the process, resulting in exothermic reaction. The high temperature and pressure forced the emergency venting of pressure from the holding tank, and larger volume of toxic gases escaped to the atmosphere. Inhalation of MIC can cause irritation to the eyes and throat, but if one exposed to high concentrations, it can lead to breathing difficulties, lung severe damage, and in extreme cases, death.
The government, as well as the international community, should provide financial and medical support to the people in this region. Government should try to reduce mobility, morality, and material loss. The government needs to improve and rebuild public health infrastructure, functioning sewage system, and planting more trees and other plants to create a better environment for the people.